Chirpy bird with thermocole cups. Materials required: pastel sheets, Fevicol, paintbrush, pencil, marker, sketch pen, and green fabric paint. We first start by painting the thermocole cup with green fabric paint. Once it's done, it'll look something like this. Draw the eyes, beak, and wings of the bird onto a pastel sheet and cut them out. Now it's time to stick the parts of the bird to its body. We start by sticking the wings. We even stick a few feathers to give it a fluffy look. With the help of a sketch pen, we give a bit of detailing to the face of the bird. Now, we stick the base of the eyes and stick googly eyes on top of it. Stick the beak of the bird and your bird is ready. Similarly, you can do this in different colors. Hello kids, hope you liked our video. Like, comment and share your views. Don't forget to subscribe to us.